So using the board, I was able to get the second layer on by doing some screws here. Now it was a little tricky. I had to kind of adjust here and there to try to get everything to come out together. So it did come out pretty good. And then I decided to make little, what I'll call butterflies here, little triangles to hold these two together better. So it cut some like a 3/8 inch strip of wood, strip of oak, red oak, good and hard. Only thing is it tends to, you can split it easy, so you have to be careful. So I cut these by flipping this around and cut them really carefully. Don't get your hands in the way. And then I piloted some holes in, pre-drilled them with my bit, and then I put another bit on to go into the cucumber, and then placed them in, and I just did it with my hand, just screwed them in gently and snugged them down. So I'd say it's held together really good. And now we can turn it over and see what it looks like on the other side. So there we go. So I think it's going to look beautiful. Next we will, tomorrow I'm going to quit for now. Next we'll put the wire on, and then we will do any touch-up hand sanding we need to. I don't think we need much. A little rough spot right here, a little hand sanding will take that out, I think. And everything looks fairly parallel, and I don't see anything off, so I'm very happy with it. Again, I'm happy how I did these corners because these are not perfect. Not every corner lays, the boards can move, be slightly crooked, so this makes it more forgiving. Okay, back tomorrow.